The U.S. Superior Court of New Jersey has awarded investigative journalist Anas Aramayal Anas $18 million in a defamation lawsuit against former Ghanaian MP Kennedy Acheampong and Frederick Asamoah. The lawsuit stemmed from alleged defamatory statements made by the defendants during a 2021 online interview, where they accused Anas of being a criminal, thief, and responsible for the murder of another journalist. The court found the defendants' claims to be false and damaging to Anas' reputation. This ruling comes after a separate Ghanaian court dismissed a $25 million defamation suit brought by Anas against Acheampong, with the judge stating Anas' work amounted to investigative terrorism rather than legitimate journalism. The U.S. court's $18 million award to Anas represents a significant legal victory, underscoring the importance of press freedom and accountability, even for high-profile public figures. However, Acheampong's lawyers have applied for a reduction in the damages, indicating this case is far from over. The contrasting court rulings in Ghana and the U.S. highlight the complexities and challenges investigative journalists like Anas face when taking legal action against powerful individuals who seek to discredit their work. The outcomes demonstrate the need for robust protections for the media to hold leaders accountable without fear of reprisal.
Okay, so the court's decision, if we start at the end, the court is denying the request for mistrial, and everyone can file motions at the appropriate time, and the court will address everything after the motions are filed appropriately and then responded appropriately. Does anyone have any questions about anything?
No. Thank you so much.
Okay. Good luck to everyone. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thanks, everyone. Okay, so the court's decision, if we start at the end, the court is denying the request for mistrial, and everyone can file motions at the appropriate time, and the court will address everything after the motions are filed appropriately and then responded appropriately. Does anyone have any questions about anything?
No. Thank you so much.
Good luck to everyone. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.
Anas is human. He has his flaws. If you know Anas has done something or a crime against you, you have the right to take Anas to court. That is what I represent. But as far as I know, the allegations that were posed, the allegations that were mounted on Anas, the things that Anas was being tagged with, in court today, it has proven, or court has proven, say, none of the allegations against Anas, those allegations Kennedy Japan made, Anas being a thief, Anas being a murderer, Anas being a serial killer, Anas being a criminal, a co-conspirator, and all that, today in a court in New Jersey, a superior court, they are saying none of those things had basis. That is what I am looking at. I am not here to hold Anas' hand to heaven, because Anas is friend in Yanko. Whatever Anas does, I have never been in any of Anas's meetings. My job here is to speak to the facts and what is on paper and what we know. And if you might have your own personal issues with Anas, it's his problem. It's your problem. If you have the legal means to go after him, go after him. But from what I know here, whatever was said against Anas, at the end of the day has been proven that he is not guilty of the allegations of being a murderer, a thief, a criminal, a co-conspirator, and all that. At least we know the world knows today that whatever Kennedy Japan said was a lie. That is what I'm looking at. So if you have an issue with me and saying, Anas, that you are protecting, I am not protecting Anas. I've not been able to protect myself. How do I protect Anas? But I will defend Anas with the fact, because at least from court, we know around the world that Anas Aramayal Anas is not a murderer. He is not a killer. Anas is not a liar. He's not a thief. Those are the basics you need to understand. And anything I make a will say, that a Fred now or what Massachusetts may sue $10 million. I want to send a message to You, those people in America, mochi maika, mochi mufuna, na motete moka, moteta mo hoke kankwasi asem no. I want to use that Fred to send a message. I never wanted to talk about this because we have moved quite deep. But me the dada Fred, me the set example.